Do you also reach the last few days of the month with barely anything left in your account? Like, you check your balance and think, wait, where did all my money go? Yeah, you're not alone. Sometimes you feel like no matter how much you earn, it's just never enough. But here's the thing, it's not always about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. So in this video, I am going to break it down. Firstly, I'll talk about why this keeps happening every month. Secondly, the most common money mistakes almost everyone makes. And in the last, I talk about real simple solutions you can start today. Stick with me till the end because I promise, these are tips that actually work. It happens to so many of us. We get paid, and within a week or two, rent's gone, bills are paid, we've done a grocery run, had a few takeouts, and boom, it's all gone. And what's worse, why this keeps happening every month, it's because something unexpected always comes up, like a friend's birthday, a school expense, or some random emergency, and then you're stuck. You might start thinking you're just bad with money, but the truth is, it's not your fault entirely. Life is expensive, and we're all trying to do our best. We've just never been taught how to manage money. Not in school, not at home. Let's figure out why this keeps happening. Where we're going wrong. So here's what I've realized over time. And trust me, I've been guilty of this too. We work hard, we earn, and then we just start spending. There's usually no plan, no structure. We think, I'll handle what I need and whatever's left, I'll save. But guess what? There's never anything left. Because one of the biggest mistakes is that we try to save after we've spent. That just doesn't work. Saving has to come first, otherwise, we always find a reason to spend that money. Another big one is emotional spending. We've had a tough day, or we're bored, or we just feel like we deserve something nice. So we buy stuff we don't need. And those little things like snacks, subscriptions, random online orders, they add up fast. And also the mistake, we never really track where our money goes. We kind of assume it's the big expenses, but most of the time it's the daily small ones that drain us. All right, so let's talk solutions. And I'm not going to tell you to stop drinking coffee or give up every joy in life. That's not realistic. What we need are habits that actually work and make sense. Tip 1. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck comes in, move 10 to 20% into savings. Automatically if you can. Don't wait till the end of the month. Make saving non-negotiable if you like rent. Tip 2. Try the 50-30-20 rule. Split your income like this. 50% for needs, bills, rent, groceries. 30% for wants. Fun stuff, eating out. 20% for savings or paying off debt. You'd be surprised how balanced life feels when you follow this. Tip 3. Track everything for 30 days. Use an app or even a simple notebook. Just track where your money goes. Once you see it, you'll automatically make better choices. Tip 4. Try the cash envelope method. Take out cash for things like groceries, transport, or entertainment. Put them in labeled envelopes. Once the envelope is empty, that's it. It's old school, but super effective. In the last, I know managing money feels hard, and we all go through ups and downs. But small changes make a big difference. You can get to the end of the month with peace of mind, without feeling broke or panicked. You just need to be a little more mindful, a little more consistent. Try just one of these tips this week. You'll feel the difference. And over time, you'll start to save. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it.